Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video I'm excited to do is just gonna be a Sephora haul. So I placed a couple different orders with Sephora during the sale, so I wanted to share with you everything that I picked up, like a huge haul or anything, even though I did make 3 different orders. But I also did have kind of a mini haul in my recommendations video as well. At the end of that video, I have a haul too with makeup and some skincare. So I can link that video if you haven't seen it yet and you want to see some more things that I did pick up. But then I did purchase a few more new things during the sale or some items that I saw recommended to me. So in my defense, I placed 1 order and then the very next day, 2 more things that I wanted to place originally came back in stock. So then I bought them, I bought those. And then in my Will I Buy It video this week, I had multiple people recommending another product. So then I placed my 3rd order. So these 2 were the items that I wanted in my original order, and I was waiting because they kept going out of stock and then they were in stock and then they were out of stock and then they were in stock. And it was like every time I was able to, like, if I would hear that they were back in stock, I was like, wow, and then they were gone again. I'm like, dang it. But I did get the Kosas Bronzer. So this is the Sun Show Moisturizing Baked Bronzer. So a lot of people have been talking about this bronzer. I ended up getting the shade medium, and hopefully it works out okay for me. I do need to start self-tanning my body. I feel kind of like a bronze goddess on my face today. You know, it's fine. But I also just, this is actually like a jumpsuit, and this is what I was supposed to wear at my launch party with Ofra Cosmetics, and it's just been like hanging in my closet staring at me, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wear it today. I'm gonna wear it and it's gonna put me in a good mood and it's gonna be fine. And I went really heavy on my bronzer and that's fine. Like, the things that we have to do to cheer ourselves up right now, it's okay. There shouldn't have to be an explanation for this. But this is, I'll be doing some like close-ups of everything too, but this is the Kosas Bronzer. And again, just a lot of people have been talking about this. Ooh, it is very, very smooth. Okay, so yeah, I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to do some self-tanning, but maybe if I like blend it out, hopefully the shade match will be okay. I do feel like when I swatch it, it does look like it pulls a little bit orangey, but I've heard some people saying that in their reviews, that it like kind of looks like that when you swatch it, but that it's really not. So hopefully I can make it work. This one was $34. It says a clean moisturizing bronzer baked with shea butter. It's an effortless one-step sculpt, highlight, and color for your whole face. So it does look like it has a little bit of glow to it also, but I'm excited to try that one out from Kosis. Okay, next up, I also did get a blush, and this is from Tower 28. A lot of people have been talking about this brand for sure, so I wanted to get this blush even though it's a cream blush, and it's called a luminous tinted balm. That is not normally what I go for, but I will say that I filmed a look on this hair, so that what, like, if my hair is looking especially crazy today, it's because I tried to film it, and whenever I try to film things, it just like, things are hard. I was in a bathroom, there was like lights situation going on that I was trying to figure out. I was trying not to just have my elbow in front of the camera the whole time. It's very complicated. But I did try to do that like reverse foundation today, and it's because I have some more like cream and liquid products that I like and want to use. Someone's mowing their lawn. Of course they are, because why not? So I've been wanting to use my cream products, but I don't know. I was like, I'm going to try the whole reverse foundation thing. I've seen a lot of people do them. I've seen a lot of videos about them. So I was like, I'll just try it and see what I think. So before I did my foundation or anything, I put my contour on, my bronzer on, cream products, cream blush, liquid highlight, all of that. And then I put my foundation over it, and I was like, I actually don't mind that. And then after I did my foundation and concealer, I came back and put like just a small amount of like a light bronzer on, more of like one of my natural highlighters on, kind of like a lighter blush. And I just feel like, everything looks really good. So I'm gonna film it. I want to try it first, and then I will definitely film it if you guys are interested in it. But I was like, maybe this is how I can begin to use my cream and liquid products more, because I did like it that way. Because I feel like when I do it after foundation, I'm always worried about powder, and I like to powder my face after concealer, and then it's just, you know, it's just like, what do we do? But anyways, going back to this one, the Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. I got the shade Magic Hour. Okay, it says tap and blend onto cheeks and lips. So this is supposed to be more of a multi-purpose item. And it is nice, clear packaging. Let me see if I can get a little bit of a, I'm just gonna kind of like lightly tap in here and see what we can get. Okay. So again, I'm definitely going to be self-tanning, especially because I'm like, even though I'm not going anywhere, I'm like ready to start wearing like my tank tops and like my jumpsuits again. I'm just like ready for it. So I'm gonna start to work on my tan. But I feel like this would work well too. And I feel like even as I'm kind of blending it onto my hand, things are looking okay. And again, a lot of people have been talking about Tower 28. I mentioned this in my Will I Buy It video this past week, and I said that I had purchased an item from them, and so many people were mentioning them in my comment section. But to give you a little bit more info about that blush, that is, or the tinted lip and cheek balm, this is $20, and as of the day, I'm filming this on Friday, it's sold out again. Jeepers. All 3 shades are sold out again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The Magic Hour is described as a sun-kissed rosy nude. I felt like that, you know, kind of screamed me. It says a multitasking tinted balm for ultra glowing lips and cheeks minus the cakiness and harsh lines. All right, $20 if I didn't say. So definitely I'm excited to try that one out. And then I do have my 3rd order that I placed. I just placed it like, I think it was like Wednesday afternoon after I was reading so many comments in my Will I Buy It video. It has shipped, but it's not here to me yet. I want this video to go up at least on Monday, and the package is not supposed to get here until Monday, so I just thought I would mention it so I can't actually show it to you. But my 3rd order that I placed is literally just this one item, so I'm just going to tell it to you. I'll put a picture up on the screen, but it's also from Tower 28. This is the SOS Save Our Skin Daily Rescue Facial Spray. They have a full size and they also have a mini. I have a lot of minis to show you, but I just got the mini just to test it out and see what I thought. So the mini is $12, but it says a daily treatment for stressed out skin featuring hypochlorous acid, a naturally occurring compound found in your body's internal defense system. And the skincare concerns that it's good for are acne, blemishes, redness, dullness, and uneven texture. I had a lot of you recommending this to me in my Will I Buy It comments. So this is my subscribers maybe buy it, because this is on you. A lot of you, I truly haven't heard anyone else talk about this one, but my comment section, I saw it pop up multiple times and people were commenting under comments recommending it, saying that you also think it's really good. It has a lot of really positive reviews on the Sephora website. So for 1 fluid ounce, that's the mini, $12. I was like, you know what, I'll go ahead and try it. I have, you know, I definitely do struggle with acne right now in life, which is not always super fun. So I'm going to give it a shot. So that is still en route to me, but wanted to let you guys know that I did also pick that one up from Sephora based on your recommendations, and I'm very excited about that. I did also pick up a new brow pencil. This one I blame solely on my friend Stephanie Marie. We talk over Marco Polo quite a bit, and I don't know how we got on the subject, but she was talking to me about this Hourglass brow pencil and how it's her favorite. We might have been talking about like my brow declutter that I was going to do. It's been posted on my channel, and I was like, the Hourglass one. And then it was like after she said that, I started in my brow declutter and collection video, people were saying that how they really liked that one. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot. So from Hourglass, this is the Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Okay, that is what I got, and the shade that I picked out was a soft brunette, and I'm just curious to try this and see what I think. Have you guys tried this one from Hourglass? I think they had 2 different brow pencils. One is like their micro pencil, and then there was a different one. So if you are interested in it, just make sure that you are aware of that, because I like micro brow pencils. I like these really small ones. Again, I'll do some close-ups, but I like the really small tips on those. So I'm hoping that I will like this one, and it does have a spoolie on the other side. So I'm excited to try it. We'll see what I think. I've been trying more products from Hourglass. I also just picked up their Vanish concealer. That was in my last Sephora haul, and I'm actually wearing it today. Less is more. I know I said, I believe I said in that video, or I think it was in my try-on of that Sephora haul try-on, I said I wasn't sure if I was loving it. Like seriously a few dots of it and it goes a very long way. So I'm liking it more now that I've understood that like I can't do like the full like you don't need that much. For the brow pencil, this is $28. It says ultra precise, ultra slim brow pencil, perfect for creating the thinnest hair-like strokes for naturally defined brows. I feel like, I really hope that I like this one. I have pretty full brows without a brow pencil in them. I kind of just need a pencil to just like fill everything in. So that's why smaller pencils tend to work well for me. So I'm excited to give this one a shot. Thank you, Stephanie Marie, for your recommendation. I'm excited to try it out. All right, and then I did get some new skincare. I'm pretty much blaming this one on Britt Clark. So chatted on Marco Polo, and she had like 5 different video chats to me, just totally hyping up the Tatcha line. So I was like, you know what? I've been really liking some Tatcha products recently. Their rice powder, I got the deep rice powder. I mentioned that in my last haul also. I've been a really big fan of that. I've been really noticing it helping with my chin and the redness that I have there, and I look forward to using it. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to try some more products. And I mentioned to her that I didn't love the water cream. I tried the water cream from Tatcha. As someone who has pretty dry skin, I just felt like it didn't do enough for me. And she was like, no, 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 girl. You have to try the Dewy skin cream. And I was like, fine. I'll listen to my friends and I'll buy some Tatcha. Okay? So I really like that Tatcha has a lot of minis of their products because they are expensive. They're more of like high-end luxury type of prices. And with skincare, it's so different for everybody. Our needs, our skin types, I mean everything. So much goes into what your skin, how your skin is reacting, so it's all very different. So I love when you can get minis to test something out, and if you decide that you really like it and it's worth it to do the full size, or you could just buy another mini. I'm a big fan of brands that offer minis like this. So I got a mini of the Dewy skin cream. Have you guys tried this one? And especially if you have dry skin, do you like it more than the water cream? And this one, the mini was $20, and it says a rich cream that feeds skin with plumping hydration and antioxidant packed Japanese purple rice for a dewy, healthy glow. And it's supposed to be good for normal to dry skin types. So if you are more oily, I think that you would like the water cream better, because it felt like a nice moisturizer. It was just as someone, especially when I was trying it, I was so dry. As someone who's dry, like it just wasn't doing anything for me. So isn't this so cute? This little Dewy skin cream. I haven't tried any of these products yet because I just got this package like late last night, and I wanted to sit down and film with it as soon as I could because I really want to try some of these products. I don't have a great sense of smell, so sometimes me smelling things doesn't mean take that with a grain of salt, because I can't always smell the best, which I know is really weird. But I'm excited to give this a shot. Fingers crossed. I hope that I enjoy it. And then the other product that I picked up from Tatcha is the Deep Cleanse. All right, so I also got a mini of this, and it is 1.7 fluid ounces, so not too bad. And the Deep Cleanse Exfoliating Cleanser, the mini, is $16. It says it's a daily gel cleanser with natural fruit exfoliant that thoroughly but gently lifts impurities and unclogs pores while leaving skin soft and hydrated. Okay, so I'm excited to give this one a try as well and see what I think about it. I want to do like maybe like a skincare video using some of the Tatcha products that I have, including that rice powder that I like, and then these 2 new products that I got, and see what I think of the Deep Cleanse. Oh, okay, I wasn't sure how this one opened. So this one you just, okay, so you twist off, and obviously I'll have to remove that, but so you'll probably just pour it out. Excited to give this one a shot as well. Again, I was reading the reviews and a lot of people seemed to enjoy it, so thank you, Britt, for your recommendations. I'm excited to test that out. And then I also just picked up, like, lastly, this is a pretty short haul, but the last things that I grabbed were just 100 point perks. One is the beauty, it's from Beauty Blender. It's their Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. This is to clean brushes. Like pretty much if I ever see these as like a 100 point perk, I get them, because it's just, you know, you want to be cleaning your brushes as often as we can. Which is really hard to do sometimes. It's not a bad thing to have, so I just grabbed another one of those. And then I picked up this item from Farmacy because I don't think I've tried anything from Farmacy yet, and I hear a lot of people saying really good things about them and really enjoying their products. So I saw this as a 100 point perk and I was like, why not? This is their Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So I'm always on the hunt for like a good cleansing balm. So it's just like a hard solid to remove your makeup. I have no idea. So again, like I've kind of been gravitating more towards having some sort of like solid balm first and then coming in with a more liquid cleanser. So like I could do like this balm and then this cleanser. That's kind of been my preferred method when I'm double cleansing when I do wear makeup. I do really suggest double cleansing just to make sure you get everything off, especially if you are kind of more prone to acne. You definitely want to make sure you're removing all of your makeup. So thought that I would try this out and thought it'd be a way to try out Farmacy, and again it was just a 100 point perk for this guy. So I thought I would give it a shot. So that is everything, the products that I could show you, and then the one product that is still en route to me, but I thought I could still sit down and film this haul video. Again, I know it's a little bit shorter. Most of my hauls are usually not super extreme, intense type of hauls, but I do have that other kind of mini Sephora haul at the end of my recommendations video if you want to check it out. I have a try-on video trying on a bunch of those products as well, but I wanted to show you what I also picked up based on some of my friends' recommendations, your recommendations in the comments. I always do appreciate that. So I hope that you enjoyed this just kind of quick Sephora haul. Let me know what you thought of my purchases in the comments, of course. I would love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned. I will be reviewing the products as well that I pick up. I always like to come back and do some updates. I just posted my makeup monthly for April, and there's a bunch of reviews in there following up a recent Ulta haul and then just some new products that I was trying. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the Sephora haul. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you also consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video.